Good morning, Global Clan. From Bali's resilience to QRIS step milestones, today's updates are all about progress and possibilities. Let's dive in.
Nearly 80% of Bali experienced a significant power outage, starting at 4 p.m. local time on Friday, May 2nd, 2025. The blackout lasted 4 hours until the next day, leaving much of the island in darkness. Thanks to swift recovery efforts, electricity was fully restored across nearly the entire island by morning, bringing the light back to homes and lifting spirits. On the digital payment front, QRIS adoption continues to soar. However, its implementation has raised concerns from the U.S. Trade Representative, citing QRIS and payment policies as increasingly protective and restrictive for global business. By the first quarter of 2025, around 56 million users and 38 million merchants had adopted this seamless payment solution. QRIS Step achieved remarkable growth by mid-April compared to the initial launch, recording 3.24 billion Indonesian rupiah in transactions, derived from 42.9 million transactions and spanning 1.44 million merchants. On the other hand, mobile and internet banking kept growing, reaching around 10 billion transactions in February 2025. Up by 33.50% year-over-year.
And that wraps up our latest updates. Be sure to catch Marclan Minutes updates every week. Goodbye.